Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Charger SRT. We end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. This car is a beauty. Carbon fiber hood. It's got all the spoilers, you know, the $1 million calibers, carbon fiber side mirrors. It's really nice. Carbon fiber tail, you know. So yeah, they already went ahead and tried to bust out his window and try to ransack his car. So we end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. So I'm gonna go ready to test it out. When you arm it, you always gotta give it, like on factory alarms, they have a delay of 35 seconds or so. So you can't arm it and beat the car right away. You gotta give it like 35 seconds. If you have one of these Dodge Challengers and you wanna know if you have a factory alarm, just put the window down, close the door, arm the alarm, give it like a good minute, and reach in and open the door from the inside and see if the horn starts honking. Then I'm gonna get ready to bang on the tire, and that will fire off the alarm in case somebody tries to bust out his lug nut locks, and that will fire off the whole alarm system. The car is pretty kick-ass. He tinted all the windows. It's really dark. I don't know if you can get away with this at your home state, but here in Miami, you know, he's getting away with it. It's pretty dark. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. Alright, and then to remote start it, I guess you hit lock and you gotta press this twice. 1, 2. That will crank the car right up. Alright. Pretty kick-ass. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. We thank you for watching this video.